Good morning, students. We will read today the next chapter, chapter 5, motor skills. So, what is motor skills? Let's read the chapter and learn about it. Okay, open the book. Motor skills. Please look at the book. What is gross motor control? So, what is gross motor control? Gross motor control refers to the movements of the large muscles of the body. So, gross motor control refers to the movement of the large muscles of the body. Okay. Next, when do we start developing gross motor control? So, when do we start developing gross motor control? Let's read and learn. A baby starts developing gross motor control from birth, beginning with the control of her head and torso, continuing until she has mastered sitting, crawling, standing, and eventually walking, running, jumping, and the range of activities that an adult can do. So, a baby starts developing gross motor control from birth, beginning with the control of her head and torso, continuing until she has mastered sitting, crawling, standing, and eventually walking, running, jumping, and the range of activities that an adult can do. Understood? Okay. Next. As a child develops increasingly better control of the arms and legs, she begins to develop fine motor skills such as grasping, touching, feeding herself, etc. So, as a child develops increasingly better motor control of the arms and legs, she begins to develop motor skills such as grasping, touching, feeding herself, etc. Okay. The next, children learn new gross motor skill by practicing until a particular skill is mastered. So, children learn new gross motor skill by practicing until a particular skill is mastered or learned. Okay. Without reasonable gross motor skill, we would struggle with the fine motor skills that are required for formal school work. So, without reasonable gross motor skills, we would struggle with the fine motor skills that are required for formal school work. This is why a child's handwriting is not developed fully till almost the age of 5 years. So, this is the reason child's handwriting is not developed fully till almost the age of 5 years. So, the small child cannot write well. Okay. When the child is very small, 5 years old, so he or she cannot write well properly. Understood? Okay. Now next, what do gross motor skills include? So, gross motor skills include, first is balance. Okay. See, here I have written balance. The ability to maintain equilibrium. Second, body awareness to improve posture and control. Okay. Third point, laterality. That means awareness of the left and right side of the body. Next point, major muscles coordination. Spatial orientation. Awareness of the body position in space and in relation to the objects or people. So, did you understand? So, let's move ahead. What are the benefits of physical activity? So, when we do some activities, physical activities, what do we get? Okay, let's learn. From the age of 3 to 15 years, person needs several hours of physical activity a day. So, from the age of 3 to 15 years, person needs to do some work in a day. Okay. This helps to build the body, purify the blood, promote good digestion and calm the nerves. So this activity help the person to build the body, purify the blood, promote good digestion and calm the nerves. Every hour spent in the open is clear gain. So every hour you must spend your time in open areas. Okay. Tending to the increase of brain power and bodily vigor and to the lengthening of life itself. Now next, in these time of extraordinary pressure, social and educational make a new rule in life. So these time of extraordinary pressure, social and educational make a new rule in life. Never be within doors when you can rightly be without. So never be inside the room or like that. Okay, you must go out and have some fresh air too. Make sure you have plenty of time to run around, climb, play and even do some work such as gardening or helping with other chores out of doors. So never be inside the room alone. You must go out and help others, run around, okay, or even you can do some work. If you are a city dweller, find a park, a vacant lot or other suitable place where you can go and enjoy some physical exercises. So if you are living in a city, then you must find some this parks or suitable place where you can run around or do some exercises. Okay. Even in cold weather, dress up warmly. Go out and develop your gross motor skills while enjoying outdoors. So even in winter season, also you can go out. You wear some warm clothes and go out for the walking or to do some work or exercise. Okay, in order to develop your motor skill. Understood? Alright. Make good use of playground equipment that is designed to use your muscles vigorously and develop gross motor skills. So you must make use of the playground, okay, that is designed to use your muscles vigorously and develop gross motor skills. So you must go to the playground and play some games. Okay. Don't deprive yourself of climbing. Just do it safely and within limits. So you must do some climbing too. Okay. Climbing is particularly good for stimulating your sense of laterality. So climbing is good for health. Okay. You must climb some trees. Country living usually provide small trees and fences for this activity. So for climbing, country living people usually provide small trees and fences. Okay. But city parks or playgrounds with a jungle, gym or slide will also achieve the same purpose. So city living people must go to the playground or parks, okay, for this purpose. They cannot climb, but they can walk around. Use as many of the apparatus at the play parks as possible. So use as many as apparatus means you can do so many things there. Okay, so many exercises also you can do as possible, you can do in that park. In school, play as many games as possible: cricket, football, hockey, basketball, badminton, kabaddi, kho, etc. So in school you can play so many games. Okay, as you find time, you must play games such as cricket, football, hockey, basketball, kho, kabaddi, all that. Okay. If there is a swimming pool in your school or in your neighborhood, make sure you avail the opportunities of swimming. So if there is a swimming pool in your school or nearby your home, you must make use of that also. You must go for the swimming. Okay. Judo, wrestling, karate and other games of self-defense help to build muscles and train the mind. So, judo, wrestling, karate and other games of self-defense help to build the muscles and train the mind. So, all this you must try to do. Make yoga a part of your life. Learn gymnastics for fun and sports. So, make yoga a part of your life. You must learn to do yoga also. Okay. Learn some gymnastics for fun and sports. So, did you understand? So, we have completed reading chapter 5 and PA1 portion is over. Please read. Read again. Okay. Read all the chapters. Learn the question answers. And question answers of this chapter I'll be giving you in PDF. Right. Here you see, identify the sports. You must find out the sports. Look at the picture and find out which sport is this and write. Okay. I think you will be able to do this. Please do it. So see you in next class. Thank you.